So we breathe into this space and just open our hearts for meditation. Just gently closing the eyes. Give me this day my daily bread. Forgive me all my trespasses, and lead me not into dismay, but let me pray upon the highest hill. Let me know the beauty of thy will, and from it let me not stray, but deliver me from negativity. Baptize me in your majesty. Christen me with the love that is free. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. When I realize that we are one, and only with these eyes do I see. Thy word is heard from mountains high, in valleys low, through summer skies, in lands of war and lands where there is peace. Te malkutach nef kadeshamach matole wa hela wa teshbukta. From Catholic saints to Hindu names, Buddhist chants through Zen refrains, bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Baruch atah Adonai, Om Shanti El Shaddai, Om Namah Shivaya. Three times. One more time together. Breathing into this space, we simply allow ourselves to become so fully present in this moment that we let any concern simply drift away. We feel the support surrounding us. With each breath, we allow the body to become still, to relax, for the mind to quiet. We allow this meditation to be simple, simple time of coming apart for a while, of knowing that it's more than enough just to pause, to be still. That there's nowhere to go, no thing to do. That it's good for this mind that tries so hard, that sometimes races, to just be. So with each inhale and every exhale, we allow the moment to take us. We allow the stillness to reach us. We allow the love to well up from within us. Breath by breath, moment by moment. Simply allowing the silence to do what the silence does. Going beyond all human limitations. Going into the realm beyond thought. As we allow ourselves to be nourished within. So we bring this silence to this moment, allowing it to go before us this day, into the evening, into the week, into the month, into this year. We trust the value of spending time in meditation. Of honoring our full nature, which is activity and rest, which is sound and silence, which is movement and stillness. By the power of this practice, May we create a world of mindfulness. May all beings know that they are born blessed. May all beings know that they are of love. May all beings know God is love, and love is God. Namaste.